3, 2, 1.
Which title is CBC's flagship newscast? The answer is A, The National. The Spanish Armada suffered a defeat in what year? The answer is B, 1588. Which tribes brought down the Western Roman Empire? The answer is D, Germanic. What is the term for when organisms need other organisms to survive? The answer is A, interdependence. In 1960, Macarios Roman III became the first president of which Mediterranean island? The answer is C, Cyprus. Sort 1 is associated with decreasing risk of what? The answer is C, myocardial infarction. Who was the father of Abd al-Malik? The answer is B, Marwan. What archivist announced the partnership with Fold 3? The answer is B, Alan Weinstein. Which song did Beyoncé release as the lead single for Austin Powers in Goldmember's soundtrack? The answer is A, Work It Out. What was Baruch Spinoza's nationality? The answer is A, British. What nationality was the architect of the Jerry Tower? The answer is A, American. Another term for surrounding environment is what? The answer is B, ecosystem. What is the name of an offline resource that was created to provide a resource about KU? The answer is B, Kapedia. Why might Sony have reduced the number of ports on the PlayStation 3 after production? The answer is D, to cut costs. The process when heat is released is referred to as what? The answer is D, exothermic. What happens when the phototech is ill? The answer is A, when the phototech is ill I have to do his work. What name is given to the series of narrative poems by Lord Tennyson, which retells the legend of Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table? The answer is B, Idylls of the King. What may have caused the error message? The answer is A, it was a link to a phishing site. What did Avicenna learn from the Sunni scholar Ismail al-Zahed? The answer is B, fiqh Islamic jurisprudence. What values does the narrator try to live by? The answer is A. They live by faith. What is a single field approach to anthropology? The answer is A. Feminist anthropology. What is another format that non-alphanumeric LEDs are available in? The answer is A. Dot matrix. The square contains a sculpture by what renowned Uruguayan sculptor? The answer is A. Pablo Echegaray. In which Formula One team did Damon Hill replace Nigel Mansell? The answer is C. Williams. What year was Beale of our circumvallation constructed? The answer is B. 1878. Before relocating to downtown area, New Haven has a community college that used to be located where? The answer is D. Long Wharf District. How many tides are there every day? The answer is A. 2. A high tide and a low tide. Which action will cause sugar to form a new substance? The answer is A. Cooking sugar on a stove. Shavuot is a major festival in which religion? The answer is A. Judaism. What hardware element did T2 feel might have issues with durability? The answer is B. Top loading tray. Are ectones wide or narrow? The answer is A. Can be both. What extension fully incorporates the Latin alphabet? The answer is C. The extension of Unicode character encoding. Are marketing tools useful? The answer is C. They can reach many consumers. When did the governor of South Carolina make the Iroquois promise to return runaway slaves? The answer is A. 1726. The now largely obsolete proofreading mark of a horizontal line above and below a passage of text gives instruction to correct. The answer is B. Horizontal alignment. How much did the U.S. prices deflate in the 1930s? The answer is C. 30%. Which North American country was included among the 7 promoted countries? The answer is D. Brazil. How long does an animal store fat when it has a healthy diet? The answer is A. Almost indefinitely. Procopius' contemporary Jordans referred to the Slavs in what language? The answer is B. Latin. The controversially named nation Myanmar is also called controversially what? The answer is A. Burma. For what kind of music was Jones a regional catch-all term? The answer is D. Dance music. In what does a rhinologist specialize? The answer is C. The human nose. Since December 1999, complete the name of this South American country, Bolivarian Republica. The answer is A. Venezuela. By applying salt to an icy road, the melting point of the ice is what? The answer is A. Decrease. What can chartered members of REBA add to their name to indicate their status? The answer is D. REBA. On a monopoly board, what is the symbol for the electric company? The answer is B. Light bulb. The men then add gray carpet to the floor and a man vacuums. We switch and see them rip up and lay new carpet from another angle. What happens next? The answer is D. See a man vacuuming the new carpet. What is the oldest symphony orchestra in the USA? The answer is D. The New York Philharmonic. Which vegetable is usually mixed with potatoes to make the Irish dish colcannon? The answer is D. Cabbage. Who is the only man to have trained the winner of the Grand National in 3 consecutive years?